In this video, we'll discuss about the chapter our environment. So, in this chapter, first definition we need to know about ecology. Ecology means study of living organisms and their relationship between environment. Environment, that means living organisms are considered as the biotic. Non-living, that is that environment, will be considered as abiotic. Environmental factors are involved with the relation between that biotic and abiotic factors together will be called ecology. So, the term ecology coined by Haeckel, also called Ernest Haeckel, and father of ecology by writer, Indian father of ecology, Professor Ramdeo Mishra. In the ecology, most important definition it is that ecosystem, the organism which live in a particular area, the organism which adapt the particular condition, that biotic and abiotic factors will be correlated, that system it is called ecosystem. A interaction between a particular group of organisms and a particular environment, that unit it is considered as ecosystem. The term ecosystem coined by A.G. Tansley. Types of ecosystems. Ecosystems are mainly two types, that is natural ecosystem, artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem means, so that is naturally born systems, so plants, animals, and the pond and everything which will be forest and everything will be considered as natural ecosystem. Right here the forest, the ocean are the ecosystems. And artificial means it is completely man-made. Man-made ecosystems are considered as artificial ecosystems, that is agriculture, the best option, and also aquaculture also. Artificial ecosystems. You can also say that aquariums. What are the main components present in the ecosystem? These are mainly two factors, abiotic factors and biotic factors. First we start with abiotic factor. Abiotic factors are two. Climate factors, rain, temperature, wind. Second one is edaphic factors, pH, soil, mineral, topography. Next, biotic factors. Biotic factors are producers, decomposers, and consumers. Producers are all green plants. Decomposers are saprophytes, means fungi and everything. Consumers are again three types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and also you can say that parasites. These are the biotic factors. This is about the basic information about ecology and ecosystem. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.